Hey there, Soul Fam. Anastasjia Louise here with her favorite Totoro mug full of tea. Today I'm going to be sharing my go-to makeup look, so get to know, possibly love, my natural face, at least for now. Today's video has a little twist because I'm going to be using all 100% pure products to recreate my go-to everyday look. So let's jump on this adventure together.
Dream, 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 dream.
100% Pure is a vegan, cruelty-free, and fruit pigmented makeup brand that I've grown to love recently. With that being said, I'm super excited to share some products I've been loving and to try some new products with you today. Before we dive into the makeup magic, I'd like to introduce you to my natural face, dark circles and all. The first product I'm going to be using is this Luminous Primer. I use 1 pump worth, about a dime size, and I rub it all over my face. This stuff is honestly amazing. It leaves my skin feeling hydrated, dewy, and also super smooth. I highly suggest this stuff. The second product I'm going to be using is foundation. A heck to the yeah. Now I use a full pump worth, yes I do, and I put it all over my face, yes I do. I'm using the sponge and I'm dabbing away, dabba dab dab, shabba dabba daboo. I don't know what that was. This foundation is pretty lightweight, so using a full pump and dabbing away goes a long way. Step 3, drink more coffee. It's super funny, right? Yeah, that's a step. No. Real step number 3, I'm going to be blushing my cheeks. I absolutely love blushing my cheeks. It's probably my favorite makeup step, as silly as that sounds. Sometimes it makes me sing. Hey yeah. I tend to go a little overboard with this stuff, but I can't help myself. I just find blush so charming. Step number 4, I'm going to be doing my brows. Sometimes I brush my brows instead of my hair. My method is up and away, up and away. And the brows are done, so now we're moving on to my eyeballs. I'm going to be lining my waterline with this white pencil. Yeah, it felt like a pencil in my eyeball, you best believe that. Sticking to our eyeballs, we're going to be taking the Better Naked palette, and we're going to be using these 2 shades. I'm going to be taking this light shade and am going to just line my eyelid. Yeah, that's what it's called. And then I'm going to be taking the darker shade and am going to be lining my bottom lid. And then I'm going to be mending them together. Now we're going to be taking liquid eyeliner, which is my secret lover as well. We go way back. Whoop and whoop. This is always so stressful. It's the most stressful thing in my entire day. It's just too much sometimes. I question it. I have to talk myself, pep myself up. I feel better. I feel like I can actually go through with it. But I have to question myself a million times before, of course, you know. And I think it turned out okay. I think this was a success. But I'm going to be taking the Better Naked palette out again, and I'm going to be taking the darkest shade yet again, and I'm going just to be bringing that line out further to match up with my winged eyeliner. I just feel like this makes your eyes look more open and awake and appear a bit larger, as if I need that. And now I'm going to be taking this mascara that honestly smells like chocolate. It's so hard for me not to want to just put it in my mouth. And voila, here is the final look. I am super happy with how it turned out, but I'm questioning a lip color. Should I do it? I think I shall. Something light, something bright, something simple. I'm just going to be dabbing this shade on my lips, and it's complete. This is a look. I'm very happy with it. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a big old thumbs up. Thank you to 100% Pure for making this video possible. I will, of course, have everything linked down below for you guys. Until next time, bye! Follow me on other social media things for more inconsistent content. Instagram @Anastasjia, Twitter @AnastasjaLuna, Depop Shop @Anastasjia. Woo.